our time in Guatemala, we had the opportunity to work with an organization called Cultiva International. And what they do is they teach these mainly women to square foot garden. Guatemala is one of the most malnourished countries in the world. They subside mostly off of corn in the form of tortillas and beans. And as you notice, the people in the area, especially the people that are coming down from the hills and stuff, they are very short, and they have a high dropout rate in school and things like that because they're not getting the nutrients they need. So Cultiva, they take these women, they go through a 10-hour class, and at the end of this 10-hour class, they graduate and they get a garden box built on their property, free of charge. So they take the volunteers that come down, that pay to come down, and they go out and actually help put these garden boxes in. Now, they want the women as involved as possible, so they try and get them to actually screw the box together. We do some of the more heavy labor and stuff like that, lifting heavy bags of compost and things like that, and putting in fence posts and putting up chicken wire and things like that. But they plant, they build all the stuff as they've been trained in their class, and by the end of the day they can see a garden growing on their property. So it's pretty fun. As you'll see in these videos, you'll see some of the kids helping out as well. Some of them are more helpful than others. There are times where puppies were more interesting than garden box building, but it was a very rewarding experience. We got an opportunity to do it on multiple occasions. Cultiva does great work. We're very big fans of their organization, and just to see the difference that it makes in their lives. And some of these women do this class more than once, so that each time they go through, they do get another garden box, and they can build or grow more produce and stuff for their family, so they can, if they have multiple kids and their husband and whatever, then they can grow enough to feed everybody. And they teach them how to perennially grow this stuff. Guatemala has great growing seasons. It's like spring all the time in much of Guatemala, so it was a very fun experience.
Okay, so this, it's a perspective, how short it is their shower slash bath. So in the corner, inside there on the other side, they burn some coal, get it hot, and then they put some water in these buckets. Don't watch out! And the water gets hot, and it's like a sauna, steams up, wet in there, and so you can see the shampoo and the soap. And they wash themselves while they're in there, so pretty ingenious.
Dada, I ate my tongue.
Did you eat your tongue?
Yeah.